These are the dates of our free online mathematics workshop. This February 2026 is on Tuesday, February 10 and February 24. In Singapore, that would be 9 a.m. Perth also. If you are in Seoul and Tokyo, it's 10 a.m. Sydney is 12 p.m. If you are in Los Angeles or New York, that will be on Monday, February 9 and February 23rd, 5 p.m. for Los Angeles and 8 p.m. for New York. No workshop on February 16 and 17. All these workshops are on Monday or Tuesday. We are going to answer IB Mathematics past paper. I have a lot of IB past papers. For this workshop, we are going to do the 2020 November IBHL past paper, paper 1. Doing past paper is a good way, it's a great way to study mathematics. Much better than memorizing formulas or reading the book. You can pick a difficult question from the past paper and try to do it open book. As you get more confident, then you can try to do it closed book. Then you can record the time you need to answer the question. For example, you can try this question. This question is from 2020 November paper 1. Is the integration question, right? Then you use a substitution x equals to tangent u, then you have integral x squared over 1 plus x squared cubed. The question is 8 marks. The whole paper 1 is 100 marks. You're supposed to finish this whole paper in 2 hours. The target to finish this question is 9.6 minutes. It's quite tight, quite difficult. Can you do it in less than 9 minutes? You can try now if you like. Pause this video to see the question. I will put the hints and answer after this. This is the question. I'm going to put it for 5 seconds here. If you did the formulas, these are the formulas. You need the formula for the derivative and the Pythagorean trigo identity. This is the answer key. You can check your answer here. How was the question? If you can do the question, that's good. Can you do it in less than 9.6 minutes? If you can do the question in less than 9.6 minutes, that's very, very good. Otherwise, you can always join my workshop. It's free, please join. We'll use Zoom for the workshop. This is my Zoom link. My Zoom link is in the description. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. You can also scan this QR code to get the Zoom link. We are going to use an online whiteboard. The name of the online whiteboard is Miro. I have put the link in the description. This is the QR code for the online whiteboard. The online whiteboard is very, very interactive. You can write or draw your answer there. Please download and install it on your iPad or tablet or phone. Try to write something on my whiteboard. Please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com. Or you can book your seat by sending me WhatsApp message 65 9628 1754. Please join the workshop if you can. It's free and it's online.